Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing a knife multi-tool review. Here it is. You can't read it. Ozark Trails. They also make cups, like Yetis. Okay, so here's the unboxing. It's pretty neat. You open it up like normal multi-tool. Okay, here's my hand for size. It's pretty big. I'm gonna put the pliers away. Now I'm gonna pull everything else out. I don't have fingernails, so this might take a minute. Okay, by the way, any subscribers of mine, you need to check out Michael Tapp. He makes pretty good content, and he's also one of my friends. I did have a friend, his name's Garrett, to most of my subscribers, and he did have a YouTube channel at one point, but he got rid of it. Okay, now here it is. You got a saw, bottle opener, little bitty knife, flathead screwdriver, a bigger one, a knife. It's pretty sharp. This, I don't know. Phillips screwdriver. This, again, don't ask. And this is pretty much a serrated knife. Like, imagine somebody putting this around your neck and then just like, I'm sorry. Yeah, but imagine how bad that hurt. Man, this time. Okay, I'm gonna cancel. I'm gonna stop the video. I hope you guys liked my knife multi-tool thing. The job with. Okay, well, there's the unboxing of this. Hope you guys enjoy. See you in the next video. Check out Michael Tapp.